pretty good considering, but now I'm going to Austin to get the job done.
As he left the federal courthouse this morning, State Senator Carlos Uresti vowed to fight charges of fraud and money laundering leveled in a federal indictment against him.
He had just made what is called an informal initial appearance in the courtroom, during which those charges were outlined. Paul Venema now with a look at the charges and what's ahead for the senator.
Flanked by his attorney and his wife, State Senator Carlos Uresti emerged from the hearing with his spin on the charges.
I am innocent of these charges.
Charges related to an alleged Ponzi scheme in which Uresti and two others, Gary Kane and Stanley Bates, bought fracking sand with money from investors.
I look forward to my day in court when all the facts come out and the truth, and not just what's been written in the press.
Uresti, Kane, and Bates arrived early for processing by the U.S. Marshal's Office. They were then moved in handcuffs and shackles to the federal courthouse for the informal hearing. There, the charges, including wire fraud, money laundering, and securities fraud, were explained by the magistrate judge. All three men were part of a company called Four Winds at the time of the alleged offenses. As they left the courthouse, I asked his lawyer about those charges.
What is the basis of all these charges?
You got me.
Carlos called them unfounded.
I think.
What does this go back to?
I think unfounded would be polite.
Uresti would answer no questions as they left.
I'm headed back to Austin, back to the Capitol, to do what I was elected to do by the voters, and that's to fight.
All three were released on what's called an unsecured bond. That means they don't have to post any money. They'll be back here on the 31st to be formally arraigned. Paul Venema, KSAT 12 News.